Behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, here we go. Match number 97 is underway as 23-38 racing back over underneath the trench for the Blue Alliance. And now them and their alliance partners working on filling that hub, building quite a lead, but here comes the Red Alliance. Tech for Kids and Warriors of East Harlem both taking aim at that Red Alliance hub. They do get some more fuel in, but it's not enough to overcome the power of our Blue Alliance. Blue with a 100-53 lead as we begin the driver control portion of the match. 2 minutes and 15 seconds of driver control are underway here as the Blue Alliance beginning to shoot fuel down into their end of the field, collecting it for their first shift, which is about 15 seconds away. Team Magma having some trouble getting over that bump there, but Tech for Kids with a ton of fuel over there on their side of the field, trying to catch up to our Blue Alliance, doing a great job as they now trail by 140 to 116, but now it's the Blue Alliance's turn to answer back. Gear it forward, 23-38. Trying to score all that fuel up and in, but having some problems clearing it out of their robot. A lot of fuel in that hopper, not a lot leaving it though, as now some of it gets out and a lot of it ending up on the floor. Tech for Kids going over to steal some fuel from the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, over in the corner, that's 10-229. Event Horizon out of New York City scoring from the corner of the field there. 148 to 200, Red Alliance trailing as they begin their next shift. This will be their final isolated shift of the match. 150 fuel scored, 195 for the Blue Alliance. So both needing quite a bit of fuel in order to get to that energized ranking point. Over goes the Blue Alliance trying to steal more fuel now from Blue, trying to catch up here. Blue holding on to a narrow lead as we are about to enter the end game portion of the match. 233 to 202. Blue in the lead. So this one could easily swing back in favor of Red as Tech for Kids and Warriors of East Harlem coming back with a bunch of fuel. Gear it forward. Getting some fuel out of that robot now up and into that Blue Alliance hub, 280 to 229 as we are now in the end game portion of the match. Here comes Tech for Kids trying to lock onto their hub, having some trouble doing so as there goes Warriors of East Harlem, a quick dump up and into the Red Alliance hub, 316 to 246 with 7 seconds left. Neither alliance close to that energized ranking point. 2 seconds, 1, and that is the end of match number 97. All right, here are our scores for match number 97, and it's going to be a Blue Alliance victory, 331 to 260. Our Blue Alliance getting 3 ranking points out of that.